Welcome back to this new video to Express. Today we're going to be showing you how Dsers works and fulfill orders effectively. Dsers is a powerful dropshipping tool that simplifies order fulfillment, especially when working with AliExpress. So first of all, to get started, I'm going to focus into Dsers. Now Dsers is a dropshipping platform that integrates seamlessly with AliExpress and e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. For this tutorial, we're going to be using a Shopify account in order to continue. So make sure you are signed in directly into the tutorial, directly into the website where you actually want to get started at. Now here, let's focus into the overview of the Dsers interface. So to get started, of course, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description, guys, so you can of course have an actual free account of Dsers. To get started with Dsers, it's going to be asking you to sign up with your actual AliExpress account. So if you don't have an AliExpress account, you have to worry about that. What you need to do is to of course create an account. Open a new tab, go into aliexpress.com, and into the right section, into the opposite side, just go here into welcome and go for register. Once you hit now into register, the process is going to be just really simple. What you just need to do, of course, is to make sure that you can just sign in directly from AliExpress directly into your DNS. And once you have beginning by creating your Dsers account and you visit here, what you want to do now is to integrate the settings. So Dsers supports integration with major e-commerce platforms like the Shopify, the WooCommerce, and the Wix. So if you navigate through the integration section of the Dsers, what you can do is to import your store. If I go here to link to more stores, I can choose the store I wanted to get started in and choose, let's say for example, that I go for Shopify. So I choose Shopify, of course, and of course it's going to be asking me to make sure that I don't have more than one account already been set it up here, because of course this is only for the free version. If you want to check it out, who are or which are the actual stores you're actually using for Dsers, focused into your account, focused here into the right part, click into your account and focused into your domains, so you can make sure that the store you're choosing, of course, is listed below into the Dsers. In the case of Shopify, it's going to be asking you to install an application of Dsers. This one, of course, should be sending you into the administrator section, where you need to grant the access between the application and, of course, the Shopify. If I hit now into install, it's going to be asking you now, of course, to make sure that you have verified your account and signed in correctly. So I'm going to hit now into confirmed, and I go for add to import list. Here I choose the import language and I go for confirm. Now that I have done this process, it is time, of course, to setting up your product variants and enterprising. So if I go to product imported, let's go for check. So I can check out the products I would like to add into my store. In this case, it would be all of them. So I can select all the products, so I can select just specific ones. Let's say, for example, that I go only for the t-shirts and I select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 there. Once that I have done this process, I focus into the upper side and go for push to the store. And here it's going to be asking you which store would you like to add. In this case, I want to make sure that this code is exactly the same that appears into Shopify. Once you have done this process, then what I can do is to make sure that I have to go for the pricing rules. I will publish to the online store, an automatic inventory update, price update, and the manual price update if you wanted to. In this case, let's focus into English only, and here should be the actual price of it. Let's go for push to the stores. And the products should be added automatically directly into your Shopify store. So just wait a few seconds though and go back directly into Shopify, go back into your products, and here into your products you see that here we have all the products imported directly from Dsers. Now to fulfill your orders, to make this automatically, to manage the orders, when a customer places an order to the store, it will be appearing here inside the orders. And automatically this order should be appearing directly into the Dsers order management sections. Here in Dsers you can see that we have the import reviews. I'm going to close this, and into the left part we have the open orders. Here, for example, I have my products imported, and I have products from AliExpress, from Temu, and on the method. So usually what I do is just to make sure that here my products have not been listed automatically. As you can see, here are all of them, and it has been listed directly into our Shopify store. So that means that here are 9 products that comes directly from AliExpress. I have the price and I have the stock. Here should be appearing my open orders from AliExpress as pending, awaiting order, awaiting payment, the shipment, fulfillment, and fulfilled it automatically. So to make sure that you can get started with one product, you can select one product there, go into the option that says awaiting fulfillment, and of course enable the fulfillment automation automatically there. So This allows you to automate this order fulfillment by enabling the features with using the automatic orders placement and tracking updates. So this is how we can set up these automations to save time and reduce the manual work. Now, if you wanted to sync tracking information, after placing the orders, Dsers syncs tracking information from AliExpress to your e-commerce store. So this keeps your customer informed about the order status and delivery updates. When they have an actual synced information, you have a code to learn more about the fulfillment awaiting process staff. You have an actual news section directly here in Dsers. This is how it should be appearing in your order. You have a tracking number ID. You can use the tracking number ID, of course, to fulfill this order and of course add it directly into your store. So usually you don't have to do absolutely anything because this process automatically has been done directly by the Dsers supplier. So this just helps you to manage multiple suppliers and place the bulk order efficiently. We can even use the supplier management feature to find reliable suppliers and process large quantities of orders with ease. In focus here into the pod. Go inside the supplier optimizer and you can find by similar products and uploading an image or entering the product URL to make sure you find the right suppliers for you. And that, guys, is how you can actually do this process. That concludes our tutorial on how to use the Dsers to fulfill orders. So guys, we hope you find these steps helpful for streamlining your dropshipping business. For more e-commerce insights and tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.